Hi guys, today we will make a convenient stand for a soldering iron at home. First, we need a steel clothes hanger. From this hanger we will make support holders for the soldering iron by doing the following. Now we need a piece of wood. We will make the base of the stand from this blank. First of all, we drill 4 holes in the workpiece. Then we install steel holders in the holes made. Now, using the first drill in the workpiece, we make small indentations. Then we need 2 magnets. We glue these magnets into the previously prepared seats. At this stage, the soldering iron stand is made. Now let's move on to testing. That's all. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.